Good morning, good afternoon or good evening guys, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day, and today we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro. This is courtesy of my mate, Casey. Big shout out to you, thank you very much for sending me this footage, mate. This is going to be really cool, a brand new iPhone unboxing. We haven't done one of these in a while, so this is going to be really cool. As you can see, they've changed the packaging, so it's back to a black box now. When I say back to a black box, the original iPod Touch was black box, which I think is really cool. They're trying to promote being eco-friendly, so all this is actually quite cool. About it's like less box space and stuff like that. Obviously, you're missing the plug, and I think they should incorporate in the price. Probably reduce the price just a little bit, obviously, because you got to buy the plug separately. But look how clean this phone looks. Brand new iPhone 13 Pro. It's really cool, and this is what you get in the box. So here is the phone. We've got that white sort of sticker at the front to protect the screen. It's apparently more eco-friendly, which is why they opted for that. I might be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm sure that is the reason for that. And inside the box you also get the little SIM card tray opener, some more text. Normally don't read that. One Apple sticker, only one. Back in the day, you used to get two, those good old days. Anyways, we got the charger cable, which is lightning to USB-C, and as you can see, he's not happy about the plug, and we're missing headphones as well. But most people have wireless now anyway, so that's not too much of a bother. Anyways, let's start unwrapping this, getting rid of that. That's so satisfying to see that. And here is the phone, very clean, nice reflective bits on the outside. It looks very high quality, it looks sick. Thanks for watching guys, see you on the next video, peace.